Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up an eSIM on iPhone 17 Pro. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then click on Cellular, and now click on Setup Cellular. Then you have to click on Use QR code and click on Scan QR code. And now you have to scan your QR code. And now you have to enter your verification code. And click Continue. And now you have to wait for your eSIM to be activated. And click Done. And then you can click on Turn On, and as you can see, my eSIM is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.